Hello folks, I welcome you all in our channel We Learn English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to We Learn English Easily. How are you all? I hope you all are fit as fiddle. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe the channel, because here you'll find all the academics videos and also the spoken videos. Okay, so if you want to improve your spoken, it means if you want trendy sentences, then you can subscribe the channel. Okay, so as you all know that in our previous video we have talked about simple tenses. It means we have talked about present simple, past simple and future simple. And in today's video we are going to talk about continuous tenses. Okay, and we will discuss about present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Okay, so first of all, just understand the meaning of continuous. It means the work that is going on, for that we use continuous. Okay, and wherever we will find this word continuous, we'll have to use verb first form with ing. Okay, so now we are going to talk about present continuous. Okay, what is the meaning of present continuous? Present continuous tells us about the action that are happening while speaking. Okay, whenever we are speaking something and the actions that are happening at that time, for that we use continuous tenses. For example, here I'm speaking, so what else is going on? You are listening me, you are watching the video, okay, I'm writing on the board. So these works are going on at the time of speaking. So which helping verb we will use here? So helping verb is am, and are we will use for present continuous. And as I have told you, whenever we are talking about continuous, we'll have to use the main verb first form with ing. Okay, we will use verb first form with ing. Okay, now we'll talk about the helping verbs. Okay, so is we will use with singular pronoun he, she, it, and for singular noun. Am we will use only for I, and are we will use for we, you, they, and plural noun. Okay, what is the arrangement of sentence? So the arrangement of sentence is subject plus helping verb is MR plus main verb first form with ing plus object. This is the arrangement of the sentence. Okay, I'm giving some exercises. For example, in the park. Okay, and here I'm writing play. So you'll have to fill the blank with the help of present continuous. So as you can see, they is here. So we will use are playing. Okay, they are playing. Okay, what else? In the glory. And the verb you have, that is bask. Okay, and here you'll have to fill the blank with the help of present continuous. So this will be I'm basking in the glory. Okay, so now we will talk about past continuous, and then we'll talk about future continuous, and together we will do the exercise related to present, past and future continuous. Okay, so now we will talk about past continuous tense. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you where you'll have to use past continuous. Okay, past continuous tells us about the actions were going on a certain time in the past. Okay, now we will talk about the helping verbs. So the helping verb we use, there are was and were. Main verb we will use verb first form with ing. Okay, so where we'll have to use was and where we'll have to use were. Okay, was, we will use was with I, he, she, it, and for singular noun and singular noun. Okay, what about were? were we use with plural pronoun and plural noun. Okay. Next, the arrangement of the sentence is same like present continuous. So this will be subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. Okay. Now we will understand this with the help of some examples. Okay, see, these are some examples. She food when I reached there. So the main verb we have to use is eat. Okay. So as you can see, when I reached there, it means we are talking about past. Okay. And as we have talked about past continuous tense, that we use past continuous tense for the actions that were happening on a certain time in the past. Okay. So we will use, as you can see, she is here. So we'll have to use was eating. She was eating. Okay. What is next? We in the park when the storm came. Okay. The verb you'll have to use, that is play. So we will use we were playing in the park. We were playing in the park when the storm came. Okay. What is next? I gala time with my family since last 3 days. You'll have to use the main verb have. So we will fill I was having gala time with my family since last 3 days. Okay. That's it. So now we'll talk about future continuous tense. Okay students, so now we will talk about future continuous tense. Future continuous. Okay. So where you'll have to use future continuous tense. Future continuous tense tells us about the actions that are going to happen in the future. Okay. Those are going to take time, or those are going to take place in the future. For that we use future continuous tense. Okay. In this we use the helping verb will be. Okay. Because in modern English we aren't using shall anywhere. Everywhere we are just using will be. Whether the subject is singular or plural, we'll have to use will be. Okay. One more thing, we use future continuous for the things we are expecting to do or we are supporting to do something. For example, I'm expecting or I'm just thinking that tomorrow I'll go to Jaipur. So now I'm just thinking at what time I'll do what. Okay. For these types of sentences we use future continuous tense. Okay. And the main verb we will use, that is verb first form with ing. Okay. For example, I'm just thinking that tomorrow I'll go to Jaipur. So what I'll do there. Okay. So tomorrow is समय तक. Tomorrow by this time I will be going to Jaipur and I will be enjoying the trip there. Okay. So as I have said that in future continuous we use the sentences in which we are expecting to do something. Okay. As I have written on the board, tomorrow by this time I'll be going. Means I haven't gone, but I'm just thinking that I'll be going to Jaipur and I'll be enjoying the trip there. Okay. I hope you have understood present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Okay. And now we are going to do some exercises. Okay. So if you know the answer already, so you can tell me in the comment section, and if you don't know, then you'll have to watch the complete video. Okay? Okay students, so now we will solve this exercise. So you'll have to be very attentive and you'll have to understand the meaning, the sense of the sentence, and then you'll have to fill the verb here. Okay, so let's start. I am interesting novel now. Now it means right now. We are talking about present continuous. That's why we'll fill here is am plus verb first form with ing. So as you can see, the verb is read here and the subject is I. So we will fill am reading. Okay, what is next? she with her parents at the moment. At the moment, again we are talking about present continuous, and the verb we have that is stay, and the subject we have that is she. It means we will fill she is staying. Okay. What is next? When she came. She came. It means we are talking about past continuous, and the verb we have that is ready. So we will fill I was getting ready. I was getting ready when she came. Okay. What is next? When the lights went out. Again we have the verb that is read, and as you can see went out. It means we are talking about past. So here we will fill I was reading. Reading. Okay, what is next? We to Mexico next summer. Okay, we are just supposing or we are expecting to go Mexico in this summer. Next summer. It means we are talking about future continuous. That's why we will fill here will be plus purpose form with ing. So this will be we will be going. We will be going. Okay? Okay, what is next? Don't call them now. They will. So as you can see the word now. It means we are talking about present continuous, and you can see the verb have is here and the subject is they. So we will fill they are having. Okay? What is next? The car for service next week. So the verb we will use that is go. Okay? Next week, as you can see the word, it means we are talking about future, and the subject we have that is the car. It means singular subject we have, that's why we will fill the car will be going. Will be going. Okay, what is next? The child for his parents yesterday. We have the verb that is wait, and the child is singular, and as you can see yesterday it means we are talking about past continuous. So we will fill the child was waiting. Okay. What is next? Tomorrow we Raj's birthday. Celebrate. We have the verb that is celebrate, and as you can see tomorrow it means we are talking about future continuous. So we will fill we will be celebrating. Celebrating. Okay. What is next? The child soundly sleep. Okay. So it means we, as you can see, we aren't having the word like for tomorrow, next week, okay, yesterday. It means we are talking about present continuous, and the verb we have that is, and the subject we have that is singular. So we will fill the child is sleeping soundly. Okay. I hope you have understood it. So let's have a quick recap of the video that what we have done today in this video. So we have talked about continuous tenses, present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. In present continuous, we will use the helping verb is am/are, and the main verb we will use that is verb first form with ing. Okay. In past continuous, we will fill or we will use the verb was were, and in the future continuous, we will use the verb will be. Okay. I hope you have understood it. So now I'm giving you some exercises, and you will have to tell the answer in the comment box. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Hello folks, I welcome you all in our channel We Learn English.